Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review Flex Seal spray, or you can say liquid spray that dry to rubberize coating. So you should purchase this product or not, and what are the problems. So as you can see, this product is easily available on amazon.com and the rating of the product is also too good. So in our research and in our after all research, and we are making this conclusion that the product is looking too good and the product is very good for your, you can say, small area, or you can say any kind of, if you are facing any kind of issue related to water leakage and any kind of you can say cracks and all. If you have any kind of holes in your house, in your walls and all, then you can use this kind of product, or you can say this product is really too good. This is a all purpose, you can say, coating spray, and this spray is very good for, you can say, cracks and all. So you can purchase and you can use this product. This product is really helpful for your home and all. So in our conclusion and in our research, what we find that this product is really worthy product, and once you use the product, you will see like your you can say cracks and all will help in your, you can say, any kind of cracks and all. So this is our review. You can make your own decision before making any kind of purchase, and this is the review. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.